Ondion hemen zauz? Ez zara asustau? Viajea luzia izango dalako. Energiak batu. Euki pazientzia. Urrengo kantuak poliauak dira. Agur?
Es que se hostia.
No promises I ever give. Don't rely on me and I won't deceive. The beginning or the end you can't tell. When I wave my fear and shake my tail, I grew a different normality with unblameable morality. Hooks and nets are there for me, but I'm skittish. Neptune's child, shivering inside.
Atzaldeon eta ongi etorri emanaldi xume honetara. Eskerrik asko, onaino hurbilketiarren. Hasi aurretik, eskerrak emutia gurako notzan gaztetxiari, hau antolaketiarren, eta baita parte hartu dozuen artista daneiri, lan politia zabitzaita egin. Bukaeran enbitau bat eukiku, eta gainontzekoakin be disfrutailea espero dut. Beste barik, zuekin, Aritz Iza. Eskerrik asko, eskerrik asko. Ondion ez dira sortzirak, baina eskerrik asko txaluetik. Kantu hau, nahiko aspergarria da. Beraz, memez bete biot.
What's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can shine as bright as you. I swear it's true. Hey there, Delilah, don't you worry about the distance. I'm right there. If you get lonely, give this song another listen. Close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise. I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me, girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar. We'll have it good. We'll have the life we knew we would. My word is good. Hey there, Delilah, I've got so much left to say. If every simple song I wrote to you that's the way I'd write it all. Even more in love with me, you'd fall. We'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars. I'd walk to you if I had no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time we get through, the world will never ever be the same. And you're to blame. Hey there, Delilah, you be good and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do. You know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh,
was that?
Jode, Doraemon, inoiz eixat urtengo solo hau.
Ba, jo nere kantua.
Baietz, ostia! Hori gero jobiotela!
Jaja, vale, cabezón.
¿Cabezón? Zeu! Cabezón, dice. Eba, borda batzu zure kantua. Bueno, kantua hau, moskituen pikadurak, guztain txatzen ondako.
Ze zeintzu dako horrek.
I wake up in the morning, sinking halfway to the bottom. There's a loud, distorted screaming in my soul. Everything is dark and empty, and I don't know how to fix it. So I curl up in a ball and cry in the comfort of my home. I don't know why I feel like shit. They say I'm fine, but I'm not fine. I'm dying inside, and all I see are demons. I try to hide all my deepest feelings. I'm dying inside, and all I see are demons. I try to hide all my deepest feelings.
Oin bai dia sortirak. Txaloitera. Bueno, bai hau gara azkenengo kantura, eta kantu honetarako inbitau badaku. Hartzuk baterixeekin eta ahotzekin lagundoz, eskerrik asko bide batez. Eta ba hori, espero oinartekoa disfrutau izana, eta hurrengo kantua oso polita da. Niretako nahiko espeziala da, eta ba hori, bajona momentu honetan malkotxo bat eta barretxo bat aldi berian ataratzen dutzen horreitakoa. Ba, ber guztain xatuen, eta hurrengora arte. Torria dator, pum pum pam, pum pum pam.